Samsung has revealed the first glimpse at its trifold smartphone, which might be dubbed the Galaxy Z Fold. The device resembles a Z Fold and a half, with three unique panels, the leftmost one housing the triple camera arrangement, the center panel holding the cover display, and the rightmost one blank. Because the hinges are not symmetrical, Samsung has implemented a warning mechanism to prevent folding the right side first. The unfolding animation also provides us a glimpse of the side frame, which has the volume rocker and power button with fingerprint reader, exactly like the Z Fold. The inner display contains a punch hole camera, similar to the Fold 7, however it is not the under-display camera. Some say that Samsung should remove the inner camera totally because one is already on the cover screen. However, the inner camera still has a purpose, such as during video conversations in flex mode. Samsung's $5,000 promotion is almost over, and you may win an extra $50 if you purchase the new foldables or watches. The Z Fold's internal name is Multifold 7, which might be a code name or the final name. The Fold folds more like a Z, protecting all screens within. This is a superior design than Huawei's since it enables for full open or closed multitasking. The Z Fold folds only twice, yet the internet has given it that name. In terms of specifications, the G Fold will retain the F7's camera system, which includes a 200-megapixel primary, ultra-wide, and 3x telephoto camera. The outer screen is 6.5 inches and opens to become a gigantic 10-inch tablet. The battery size will be less than Huawei's 5600 mAh unit, although the precise figure has not been released. The device will be bigger and heavier than other foldables, weighing 298 g and measuring 12 mm thick. Because this is a first-generation device with restricted markets, it is projected to cost roughly $2,500. According to Korean media, Samsung plans to reveal the Galaxy's Fold at the same event as the Z Fold 7. If successful, this might represent the greatest advancement in foldables since the first Fold. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.